One day, the ant fell into the water. The dove caught the struggling ant. The dove broke a leaf and threw it near the ant. The ant climbed, saved from drowning. The ant said, "Thank you, dove." One day, the hunter came to the forest. He saw a dove and was about to shoot. The ant saw this, pinched the hunter's foot. Hunter shouted, "Ha, ha, ha!" Hunter jumped in bed. The arrow missed his aim. The dove flew safely away. All of the story, one good turn deserves another. Thank you. Sanana.
My name is Sri because I'm studying first standard. Dove and the ant. Ant fell into water. The dove spotted a struggling ant. She bore the leaf and threw it near the ant. Ant climbed on the leaf and stood on the dove. His foolish later, an hunter came to the forest to catch some birds. He spread his net and waited for a vessel with him. The ant saw the hunter's plan and also saw the dove flying about the nest. Nan bited on his toe and cried out loudly, "Oh my God!" Dove heard the noise and got out the forest. And go back to daily business. Moral: one good thing deserves another. Thank you.
Good evening, Miss. I am Agarashmi, 5th standard, grade 6. The wise old man, the wealthy man who has a lot of money to avoid all bad habits of his son. The scholar took the boy to the garden. The scholar saw the tiny plant to pluck the ball. He plucked it easily by 2 fingers. The scholar and the boy walked little move for the garden. The scholar asked the boy to pluck the another plant. It 5 fingers. The scholar and the boy walked little move for the garden. The scholar asked the boy to pluck the big guava tree. The boy hugged the tree. Is all its effort to pull it out, but he could not succeed. The moral of the story is we have avoid all bad habits in the childhood itself. Thank you, Miss.
A wealthy man once approached his scholar to bin all the bad habits of his son. This scholar agreed. The wealthy man's son for walk and on a garden. He watching a tiny plant. He told the child to plug out the tiny plant. He easily plugged out. Both of them forward with little bit. Old man saw a bigger plant. He asked to son to plug out the plant. The child agreed. Little more effort, the child plugged out the plant well. Little more work, the old man The child plucked the tree and pulled out hard, but not success. Moral: all the plants are bad habits. When there are small plucked out easily, but they grow big and stay with long life. Thank you.
I am young Steve Saraswati, studying 3rd standard. Now I am telling a story about lion and the mouse. You see a big tree, you see a lion sleeping under the tree, you see a rat jumping on the lion's body. A lion was sleeping under a tree. A rat comes to jump on the lion's body. The lion gets disturbed. It catches a rat. He accused the lion, "Let me go. I will help you someday." The lion was laughed. "You are too small to help me. You can go." One day the lion was trapped in the hunter's net. He roared loudly, hearing the voice. The rat came out of his hole. Suddenly he gnawed the net and set the lion free. The lion said to the rat, "Thank you. Thank you."
My name is Ananya Arun. I am studying in 5th standard. My story name is The White Old Man. A wealthy man requested an old scholar to wean his son away his bad habits. The scholar took the youth for a stroll through a garden. "Stop it!" Suddenly he asked the boy. "Pull out a tiny plant growing off there." The youth held it between his thumb and forefinger. "Pull it out." The old man asked the boy to pull out a slightly bigger plant. The youth pulled hard and pulled out. "Now that one," said the old man, pointing a bush. The youth had to use all his strength. "Now take this one," pointing a guava tree. The youth grasped the trunk and tried, but it could not budge. "It is impossible," said the boy. The old man said, "When you are young, it is impossible," said the it is when you are young, it is easy to be bad habits. Thank you to all. Amukka button.
Thirsty crow. The crow was very thirsty. He looked for water here and there. He saw a pot of water in the pot. He saw a thought of a plant in the crow. Collected some pebbles, put it in the pot. The water came up. The crow drank the water and flew very happily.
My name is V. Sanjay. I am studying 5th standard. Once there was a old man who had 4 sons. They always fighting with one another. This made the old man unhappy. One day he called all the 4 sons. He gave them each stick. He told him, "Try and break the stick." One by one they tried. Each one could break the stick easily. Now the old man tied up a bundle of sticks together. He told, try and break this bundle each of sons. Tried, but the bundle is not broken. He told, do you understand what this means? If you remain like this bundle, no one can harm you. Thank you.
Once there was an old man who lived in a village. He had his own land. He made crops, vegetables, fruits, which is useful to his living. He used to have food which is grown in his land. He feel safe and healthy. Thank you.